hurricane!
The wind is too strong! Hold on tight!
Look at the dark sky! It is a hurricane!
The waves are huge! I am very scared!
Dad, start the engine! We have to go!
I cannot! The engine is completely dead! Ouch! I cut my hand on the sharp metal! It is bleeding!
Oh no! Press this dry cloth on your hand, Sam. Mom, call the rescue team! Use your phone! I cannot call anyone! I have no signal here!
We are lost in the storm! Nobody can find us!
Wait! Look over there! A big ship is coming!
They are too far! They cannot see our small boat in this hurricane!
Look at the dog! Max has an idea! He has the bright orange life jacket in his mouth! Yes! Stand tall, Max! Bark as loud as you can!
The ship turned on a giant light! They see us!
They see the orange jacket!
Catch the rope, Dad! Catch the rope!
I have it! We are going up to the big ship!
We are safe! We survived the hurricane!
Good morning, everyone. The hurricane is finally gone.
The sky is blue again, and my hand feels much better.
Look at the water! Look at the friendly dolphins! Look at the dolphins!
They are jumping and playing with our ship. We are very lucky. We have each other.
And we have the smartest dog in the world. Max is a true hero.
See you on our next adventure, friends. Goodbye.